Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have for you the unboxing of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Now, I know it's been a minute since I did a video, just getting back to you. I'm going to make this really quick so I can edit it and get it out to you. It's an unboxing matte screen protector installation. I will drop an affiliate link down here. I get a little kickback and you get a little kickback if you use my affiliate link. We helping each other out here. So let's get into this unboxing, okay? Now hear me out. I know it's been a minute since I touched any kind of video. I need to go back and revisit the Honor. We're going to get there. But I had to get this based on the specs alone. You know, when you deal with Wonda, they have a Google Play for you before you even get it. So there's a little wiggle in that paper. But, you know, with the shiny, we got to put some matte on here. This is not the color we ordered. We ordered white. So I'm gonna have to hit them up and see what's going on with this. I wanted white, but I mean, since it's here, I'll probably keep it. But I'll see, you know, what they got to say about it. Shocking for me. But I will say this. The little sparkly look that the white had, the shimmer, the black has it as well. It's a matte finish. And around that rim of the camera, it's a marble kind of look. So yes, I'm kind of disappointed because I really did want the white, but yeah, we'll see how it works out. I held off on getting some cases because I thought I was getting the white phone. Let's move on. We have our 120 watt charger here, cable of course, and in here should be a SIM ejection tool and a case, and that's what we have. It's a leather looking case. Half case, just like we got on the Honor. And it's clear around here so you can see that marble looking rim on the camera. Like I said, SIM ejection tool, card, and like to make you feel special. Okay, Wanda, we're gonna talk. This phone has 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of memory. They only came in 2 sizes. You can go with this one or you can go with the 1 terabyte. I didn't need a terabyte, so I got the 512. So let's boot her up, see if she has any juice. I found the power button. I got so used to using the Honor that kind of just, hey, says, I have buttons on the other side, so you don't have to worry about that. I can see if there's a screen protector installed on the front. People ask that sometimes. All right, that's pretty. About half juiced. I'm gonna get this installation done on this screen protector. Play Store is already there. I'll get it set up and revisit the phone once I've had it for a while. But right now, I told you, unboxing, screen protector installation. That's all you're getting today. So they put in some work on this front screen protector. I was trying to take it off and it didn't want to come off. So I'm gonna install on top of it. Like I'm gonna do the inside anyway. It's not a big deal. Let's hop to it. Get it wiped down first and then we'll proceed. So I've been touching all over this phone. Let's give it a good wipe down. All right, my favorite, unbreakable membrane. I will leave link in the description if you are interested. 1, 2, 3 setup process. We go with 1 first. 1 takes all of your lint off. I had fingerprints. That's the only reason I gave it a wipe down first. But I like to turn the screen on so I can see what I'm working with. Go behind the camera and I'll be right back. So I had the lights on, got behind the camera. I think that's about close to perfection as we're gonna get. So we try to get our bubbles out. This is not our final. And like I said, it curves over on the end, so no, this is not a flat phone. But I don't mind that from my imports as much as I do my domestics. It seems like they know how to do it right overseas without getting false touches and whatnot. Got a few bubbles in there, but we're gonna go with 2, which means lifting it back up and pushing from the other side. I think I screwed myself up on the release there. And then we go with 3. So So we'll lift 3 up and push out. Remember I told you it's curved on the edges, so you want to make sure you wipe those sides down. Even though they're not going to stay laid down. You just keep pushing those down. And then the last step is to pull this top coat off because this isn't the actual screen protector. So being this is curved, it might be a little easier to try to come from an angle and get one of these sides. And there, we're met now. Got a couple bubbles. If you have some, if you have more than I do, no worries. Give it 24, 48 hours. Make sure you wipe that side down. Now, one of the questions I get is like, oh, is this gonna last forever? No screen protector lasts forever. If you've had foldables, and I don't care if you have Samsung or whoever, you know that the screen protectors eventually come up. Just know, I usually buy like 2, 3 of these, and the reason I do that is when I sell the phone, or if I keep the phone for a while and decide to give it away or sell it later, I'm able to give that person a fresh screen protector with theirs. Get a little middle line in there. I like to give people their own. Using screen protectors is, I guess the worst example I can use is like you're using somebody else's underwear. But I say that because hands are like one of the germiest parts of your body. So phones are like really dirty. So playing with each other's phones is, yeah, it's not something you want to get into unless you want to just get sick. But at any rate, there's our outside. We got a couple little bubbles in there, but they should be gone 24, 48 hours. Now we're gonna do the inside. First we wipe down. Again, we haven't really touched the inside much, but just in case we got a fingerprint or 2 in here, we wanna make sure we get those off because it'll be up under your screen protector. Now let me say before I get started on this came really bent. So this has been between the mattress until the phone arrived. Try to get it as flat as you can because if it's kind of bent before you start, it's gonna want to bend itself. I see the hole for the cameras here and the cameras there, so it's gonna be installed like so. Looks like we're gonna have a little bit of room around the edges. You don't want it too perfect because it'll bubble up on the side. Basically, it's gonna be installed sideways from wherever you get it. 1, 2, 3 on this one. So we're gonna go 1 first, just like the last one. And of course, behind the camera I go because I'm a perfectionist and I'm not gonna screw it up just for the sake of trying to do it on camera. So I put that on and I've, pushed these out on the sides. There's a couple little bubbles in there, but you never know if that's a screen protector or just the layer that's on the top. But, just know it's not perfect. Never is. 2 comes off next, and it's a half and half deal, so 2 is on this side. So we'll take this and do it just like we did the other on the front. Big bubble. So that side looks pretty good. Come across the other way. I literally just shot across the room. This looks like a better install than on the front, but don't know until you take off everything. So let's go with our finding a side that works. I'm always scared that I'm gonna pull the screen protector back up. You always have a couple of little faint marks, like right where the crease is for the screen protector. But if you can take whatever you're using, whether it be credit card or this little contraption they gave me with the screen protectors, and buff those out, they come out pretty easily. That's pretty good for inside install. So let me wipe down the outside of this. And now that we got that, it's really shimmery. I'll tell you, it reminds me so much of the Honor. There's the Honor shimmer, and there's the Vivo shimmer. And yes, they remind me of one another. I'll be fine that I don't have the white. I did email. I already emailed Wonda Mobile to let them know they sent me the wrong color. But I was in the process of shooting my video, so I'll let you know in this video whether they offer me some kind of compensation for getting the wrong color. I've always dealt with Wonda and Giztop. That's where I get all my imports. Again, link in the description. First thing I had to do was put it in dark mode because we can't be getting blind out here. I'm gonna go in here and play around and have some fun. I just wanted to make y'all a short video, show y'all my new toy. We ended up with black even though we ordered white. Maybe it was meant for me to have the black. I'd like to thank you for stopping by and checking out my unboxing and screen protector installations on the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. If you have any questions or things you want me to address in my first impressions video, leave those down in the comment. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you enjoyed multiple videos on this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see what those privileges are, click on the join button and see what those privileges have to offer you. I'd like to thank you for your time. Time is money. And I hope to catch you on the next video on this channel. Hi.